Hello everyone, I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class 10th, we have to study about the chapter number 2, that is acid, bases and the salts, on which we have to study about the topic called as chemicals from common salt. So first of all we have to study about what is the common salt. As you know that the common salt is originate from the seawater, or you can say it is happens or the salt is formed due to the evaporations of the seawater. When evaporates, it leaves impurities behind it in the form of crystals, and that crystals play a very important role for the formation of common salt. Why it happens? It happens due to the impurities found in a sea or ocean in a very larger extent. So whatever the evaporations happen, it always remain behind its impurities in the form of crystals. We know very well there are the number of impurities happens, and these crystals found in the form of all over the world in a larger extent. You know very well the extractions which has to be collected or stored in the form of crystals that can be extracted throughout the water in the form of seawater, ocean or the river. So they can be extracted by the means of evaporations. There are the number of different form of minerals found as well as the impurities formed, and here is some of the common salt as well as the other salt to be obtained due to the presence of impurities. Sometimes it's happen or it found in a different colors due to the color of impurities found in it. It's shown just like a rock, so that could be changes its color. And now we have to study about the properties of a common salt, where it can be found, what is the use, what is the daily basis uses. You know very well the common salt like a sodium hydroxide and baking soda, washing soda, this can be extracted into the other form that can be used in our daily life. Here is the number of uses in our daily life. Why? Because sodium hydroxide is formed due to the actions of sodium chloride as well as the water. So here is the sodium chloride present in the form of a number of various minerals present in our surroundings, or in case of a sea water as well. So now we can begin here. These common salt can be used into the various purposes, and it has played a major role in the history, or you can say it has the important history about that the Dandi March, that is salt revolt, or you can say the salt revolution, as known as Namak Satyagraha. The Mahatma Gandhi play a very important role for that particular type of a revolt, and due to this salt it can be launched. So it can play a very important criteria for. And now here is sodium hydroxide. It is formed by the salt sodium hydroxide. it can be written in the form like NaOH, that is considered to be sodium hydroxide. The sodium hydroxide is what actually it is the chemical formula. It is the chemical formula that is called as sodium hydroxide. Where it can be used, you know very well, sodium hydroxide is obtained when there is a sodium chloride get reacted with the water. How they can be formed? Here is NaCl. It is the orientation, and you can say the sodium hydroxide is obtained by the action of sodium chloride as well as water. So here is sodium hydroxide is formed. So that could be right like that. Two molecule of sodium, two molecule of hydrogen, so it can be written like that. Sodium hydroxide, two molecule of chlorine, and as well as two molecule of hydrogen. So this can be written like that. Sodium chloride, when reacted with the water, it will form sodium hydroxide as well as the chlorine and water. So that one is considered to be in the form of aqueous medium, and they may be represented like this. So we can write in that particular form. Why it can be written? Due to which only one important reason. Why? Because the sodium chloride, it is the uses. Why? Because the sodium chloride has its sodium hydroxide as a soda in the form of a caustic soda or washing soda, whatever it is. They can be considered to be formed due to the uses of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, when reacted with the water, this will form sodium hydroxide. And this sodium hydroxide is not only having a single uses. This may be used in the different manners or in the different forms. Why? Because sodium hydroxide can be used for the formation of a washing soda, baking soda, as well as in the different sectors. So that can also be derived or produces due to the action of the sodium chloride as a salt with the water. So this sodium hydroxide is obtained by the means of the sodium chloride. It is another form of orientation, that is they can be produced from sodium chloride, and that one is called as a chlor-alkali reaction or process. This one is considered to be what? Chlor-alkali process. Due to this process, the sodium hydroxide or soda is formed, or baking soda or washing soda can be formed. So we can see that this is the use of sodium chloride, and where it can be used into our daily life. Whenever we can see how these water can be represented. The water can be breaking into its ionic form, that is hydroxy and hydrogen as well, and these hydrogen when reacted with the electrons, they can be formed the hydrogen molecules, and chlorine molecules when reacted are the chlorine ions when reacted with the electrons, they can be formed as a chlorine molecules. So the breakdown of these particular type of like a water, that is a hydrogen can be break down into the hydrogen like a water. H2O is breakdown can be it is liquid. The water can be break down into the H plus OH minus. So whenever it breaks, it can be break into the hydrogen ion as well as the hydroxy ion. And when these two hydrogen and as well as the two molecule of in case H2A is break down into the following categories. So whenever the hydrochloric acid HCl is break down into the form of a hydrogen as well as chlorine, like so whenever these hydrochloric acid break down, it will form 2H plus, 2 hydrogen atom. When reactive are combined with, they will form H2 molecule and as well as chlorine when reacted form Cl2. That can be considered as a complete reaction. So suppose when these sodium chloride is broken into the sodium hydroxide, hydrogen as well as the chlorine gas. How it happens? It only happens when the sodium chloride is decomposes into the sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen gas. Why? Because whenever the electric current is passed through the sodium hydroxide solution, sodium chloride solution, or it is also called as brine. So what will happen? This can be decomposes in the different forms, like they can be formed sodium hydroxide, hydrogen and chlorine gas as well. So whenever the sodium chloride is passed in, sodium chloride is present in which the electricity is passed through them, so they can be broken into the sodium hydroxide, hydrogen and chlorine. What will happen then? Some of the few droplets of water can be found at in the form of ions, like if it is water molecule, they can be broken down into the hydrogen and hydroxide ions. So they can also be break into the different forms. So we can say into the electrical decompositions, whenever the electricity pass through the sodium chloride, there are some of the ions get formed: sodium ion, hydrogen ion, hydroxy ion and as well as chlorine. 4 types of ions formed. How this happened? The hydrogen ion and chlorine ion discharges at the electrodes. Whenever the sodium, hydrogen ion and chlorine ion which can be discharges at the point of electrodes. Hydrogen discharges off at the cathode. Hydrogen discharges 2H plus plus. It can be discharges at the cathode, and the chlorine is discharges at, it can be discharges at anode. So that is confirms about there is the electrical decompositions happen on that regard. They can be form the different form of the ions. The sodium and hydroxide ion is stay at the solution, stay in the solution, as well as they form sodium hydroxide solution as well. So this maybe takes place in that particular form. We'll discuss more about it to the next video. Thank you for being here.